Welcome back to the channel. So these non-genuine Royal Enfield parts you buy on eBay, this is the reality of them. Using them in the UK, it's a year old, that rear rack, and it's actually lasted longer than the original pannier racks, which actually rotted through, as would have the bottle silencer if I hadn't done the following to this rack as well. Which is basically dismantle it, strip it to the bare metal, red oxide it.
Tap that bolt out.
So all these pattern parts, the panniers, they rotted out as well after not even a year, about 7 or 8 months actually, a full winter. Get in the bucket. So the old pannier racks. I bought another set because I can't get. So the Royal Enfield panniers were stopped being made for the classic 500, and that's what we were fitting onto the 350s with the 350 racks. You can get the genuine racks, but not the panniers just now. So, I mean, these things are all well made. They're well welded up and stuff, but it's like they're not even blasted for the powder coat on, I guess.
So this was bought via India from a guy who's on the British Facebook pages who claims to only sell genuine Royal Enfield stuff. This is not genuine Royal Enfield when it rusts like that. But, you know, we'll get that sorted. We'll get the brush on the grinder, take all this off, and then we'll get the red oxide on it. Then we'll do it with black smooth right spray or paint, probably paint I've got. Right, to the shed. Up in the shed, got everything organised. Got a bike here I'm selling, wee fat bike I've got to sell. Got my military stuff organised now, finally. I'll do a video on all this for you. Helmets, deactivated bits and bobs, deactivated Sting gun. We've got all our US Army, British and German water bottles, torches. Lots of nice big knives and lots of webbing, shovels and stoves. So we'll run that in another video. So the best thing to do this will be the old grinder. We'll hire brush up, and then we will use these sanded this on any corners we can't quite get into. We go watch it then, because you can flat spot the steel with them. It's quite ferocious, you could say. Right, so that'll be a 22. Right, we need to stop my video because someone's phoning. Back shortly. That was Bob coming around to see me. Remember, he's got the signal desert. Sand. There you go. Ooh, nearly. Right, so this baby will do the trick. So we'll get extension cable and we'll get outside. Do outside. Less mess. See you out there. Can anyone fly a helicopter? Right, so I'll be given that actually by someone. Gloves on.
So just going to add in, I could have got this powder coated, blasted and powder coated locally as well. It's going to be 20-30 quid probably for it, and then it's just adding up, you know. So it's the price you pay if you buy copy parts, but I don't think there is a genuine Royal Enfield pillion seat replacement rack. I've never seen a genuine one. They're all patterned like this one.
Oh, it's warm. So, as you can see, still got hard to get to bits. I'll come back to you as soon as I'm finished and we're ready for priming, but 90% done. Back in a sec. So just a wee bit in there. Get that with a bit of emery cloth, these wee bits here and there. There you go. Nearly done. But emery cloth will be done. I'll try this wheel first. So we get on with that.
Right, save you watching 6 minutes of me doing this, so we'll cut it to finishing it.
So that's one of them. That worked pretty good. There you go. What I've been using on my Willow Street parts, brilliant. So if you remember, the silencer on the Enfield was rotten. So I did exactly what I've just done to that rack with it, and I sprayed it with a red oxide. Now if you look underneath, the black paint comes off, the red oxide sticking, so it does stop rust. There you go. Get the red oxide. So we'll get this on, give it a good shake. Give it 2 or 3 coats. Soon dries quick. There you go, so let that cure now. Perfect. Cure overnight, and it's time for garden fire.
It's so warm this evening, I'm just going to spray it first couple of coats of the green, and I'll probably get it all done tonight.
Spraying and drinking cider, what could possibly go wrong? So I was going to do this black, but I'd have to buy spray. I do have paint on Smooth Right, which is probably what I should have done, but can't be arse painting, like brush painting. Just rattle can it. Okay. Like that. Cure overnight and go and drink some cider and enjoy a fire with the folks.
I don't know, I don't know as much as Daniel's, but Spielberg. Train crash with a seen it. Quite stuffed for the roll, a burger and a roll, 2 sausages.
Well, that is close. See if you tap it. Tap the fire. Okay, tap the fire. Wait, I'll do one, yeah. Oh, yeah, cool.
I'm alright, thanks.
Oh, you go down, you get
That is nice.
Did try it, it's really nice.
with that sort of like V shape, but I couldn't like, I couldn't get red, and I thought, oh, what have you got?
Hi, welcome back. Next morning. We're nice and dry. That doesn't need any more paint on it, that's fine. It's been raining. Anyway, let's get this on the bike. Oh, it's pissing down.
Where's your coat?
There you go. Take 2 ticks to put on and off. Slightly different shade of green again. Every make a pay.
Green is green, mate.
I know.
That is so true. Every green is green. Especially army paint. Everything that's army's all slightly different shades of green. You look at the uniforms, everything's like that. Anyway, it's just a bit of fun this bike though. So that keeps the rust at bay on that. Hopefully we'll see how it goes. So just a wee quick film anyway. Pot boiler you could call it, but never mind. Someone will be wondering how to stop getting rid of all that rust. Yeah, you'll spend 20-30 quid to get it powder coated, but I just done it on the cheap. It's actually cost me no money. It's all paint I've already got that I've had for doing my Jeep stuff and ammo boxes and stuff like that. So anyway, we're going to knock on the head at that. Thanks for watching. You'll see the bike out soon. Bye for now.